Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's 12:25 here in Sri Lanka, Kandy, and I am leaving from Kandy to Colombo because my flight is scheduled early in the morning at 7:25 for Jakarta International, inshallah. We are leaving from Amaya Hills. We would be traveling for 110 kilometers back to Colombo. Most likely it would be costing us 3 hours. Important thing to discuss about is the interior of the car. Look at this, how this gentleman has got it modified. See, amazing, beautiful interior. Look at here. So the pilot I'm traveling today with is, sir, your good name please?
I'm Shiraz.
Shiraz.
How are you?
Oh, Shiraz.
Yes.
So you have a Pakistani name.
Yes.
Okay, so we are familiar with names like Vela Lage, Rana Tunga,
This is Buddhist name.
Ratna.
It's
These are
Buddhist
Buddhist names.
Yeah.
Okay.
These
And
are-
yours is Muslim name.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm traveling with Shiraz Bhai and 12:30, and most likely if it takes 2.5 hours, then we would be reaching around inshallah 1, 2, 3, and if it takes 4 hours, then I would be reaching like 4 a.m. and my flight is at 7:30, so no problem. My passport is with me, and let me show you the route now. So this is the road we are going to. This is a Buddhist temple.
Temple, yeah.
Okay. So Buddhism is the main religion here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Population is.
So since we were up in the hills and we are getting down, that is why this road is single road. But once we would be taking the main expressway connecting Colombo with Kandy, sorry. So that would be a wide road and we would be cruising soon, inshallah. So we'll show you once we cross from within the
These are
city.
shortcuts.
Okay, Shiraz bhai, tell me one thing. It's Kandy or Kandy? What's the correct name?
Kandy.
Kandy.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's British name or Buddhist name? Or
Buddhist name was Nuvara. Mahanuvara.
Mahanuvara.
Buddhist name is Mahanuvara.
Mahanuvara.
Yeah.
Okay, and what does it mean?
This main Nuvara means city. It's like you know that capital.
Okay,
It's called like a capital. This is second capital
second capital.
in Sri Lanka.
This is second capital.
This is second capital.
Summer capital or winter capital?
No. Second capital means main capital in Colombo.
Okay.
Sri Jayawardhanapura Kotte.
Okay,
So this is the second capital and also the classic city. Still
okay,
classic city.
okay. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kandy. And
Very
at the
special.
entry, there is Buddha's statue. This is lake? No.
Next to that river.
Next
is
to
there.
river?
Yeah.
Okay. There is some lake as well in Kandy. Is there some lake? I saw it
yeah.
I saw it.
Near to the in the Kandy city.
Okay, in the Kandy city. Okay. So, where we are crossing right now? Which this area is
It's
called
called Gatambe.
Gatambe.
Yeah, Gatambe.
It's not Kandy.
It's not Kandy.
Before Kandy.
Before Kandy, yes.
Okay. So Buddhism is the official religion here,
Yes.
declared by the government.
Declared by the government.
Okay.
Main religion.
Main religion.
Yes.
And how many are Buddhist here?
It's almost 85%.
85%.
Yes.
And how many are number 2?
Number 2, Christians.
Christians. Okay.
Yeah, Catholics.
How many are there?
It's almost 9% like that. And Hindus, they are also 7%, and the balance all Muslims.
So Muslims are
Very less.
like, I mean, very few people.
Very few people.
Oh.
But all the biggest
So what are the main businesses here?
in here, spices is the main.
In Sri Lanka whole.
In Sri Lanka, spices is the main.
Spices is the main business number 1,
Yes, number 1.
which is dominated by Muslims.
Muslims. Yeah.
Okay.
Most of the people are Muslims.
Okay.
And next, diamond.
Spices.
Diamond.
They import or export spices?
Yes.
Import or export?
Import, not import.
Export.
Only export.
Okay. And
All
what
the spices
spices?
made by Sri Lanka.
What spices are produced by Sri Lanka?
Cinnamon,
Cinnamon,
cardamom,
cardamom.
cloves.
Okay.
Next.
I mean,
Spice.
all the spices.
All
are.
the spices.
Okay. And India
best
also
one.
produces spices.
Yes.
Okay. Right.
In Sri Lanka, the best spices.
Okay.
And also.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to main Kandy city. This is the main clock tower of Kandy. We are entering into Kandy.
Yes.
Okay. So this was built by some Muslim bank of
Mr. Ismail.
Mr. Ismail.
Yes.
Okay. So we are into the main city now. Unity, color,
See
paradise.
the look. It's very nice.
Yeah. Now
Near to
this.
that temple. You know the palace?
This
Palace? Tooth Palace?
Yeah, I have heard about it. I have seen some
We
videos.
will go there.
Okay. This route goes to Colombo now?
No. This is Kandy. Colombo is that way.
That way?
Yeah.
Okay.
We came 5 kilometers from there.
Oh, thank you. I see.
Because
So,
you need to see this one.
These are hotels?
These all classic buildings. We cannot break it.
Okay, you cannot break them. They are
Yes.
preserved.
And these one all the classical buildings. Even we cannot.
They will
break it.
remain in this shape.
Yes. Inside the building, they can make anything.
They can
But
modify it.
Modified it or everything.
Okay.
But outside, they cannot touch it.
Okay.
because
If
this
they
is-
want to demolish, then they will have to take the permission of the government.
Yes. But even government, they will not approve that one.
They will not approve.
Yes.
And who is the head of the government? Like deputy commissioner, assistant commissioner, ASP, mayor. Who is the
Mayor.
head of the government of Kandy?
Now the new one, I don't know.
No,
his
what is the name of that seat? Mayor?
Mayor.
Mayor.
Yes.
And from police side, who is the head of the police?
Police means what is this called?
SP, ASP,
ASP.
ASP,
No, SP.
SP,
Yeah.
SP or
The-
SSP.
Yeah. This is for Tooth Palace.
Tooth Palace?
Tooth Palace.
Tooth Temple.
Tooth Temple. It's called Palace. That's the one.
And
We cannot go now.
okay,
It's closed.
okay.
Very nice inside that.
So what is the history of this Tooth Palace?
This is very big history, but I don't know to give you the correct.
Okay. What is
Story.
inside this temple?
Then the Buddha's teeth.
Buddha's teeth?
Yeah.
Actual teeth.
I don't know, but they but they tell it.
Okay.
And they said the hair also.
Here also.
When they cut the hair also there,
Okay.
and all the it means all the things
Okay.
gold plated.
Gold plated.
Gold.
Everything.
Everything.
Oh.
If you visit again, you must to go inside.
Okay.
It's very nice. Hello.
Okay.
Then Maligaon langama. Muda Maligaon ponna penny.
So this is the Kandy Lake. Kandy Lake. Okay. Thank you. Next. Now this road goes back, and this goes
is
up.
Going to, yeah, this is going to Digana.
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 Okay.
You know Pallegale ground?
Apalekere, yes.
This is the way.
How much is the distance from here?
From here it's 14 kilometers.
14. 1 hour.
No, 30 or 40 minutes.
Okay.
30 minutes maximum.
Palekele.
Yeah.
Okay. You have grounds in Palekele, you have in Hambantota, you have in Gal, you have in Colombo,
Yes.
and I mean Kandy's ground is Palekele.
Yeah, Pallegale. And we have in Dambulla.
Dambula, yes, you have in Dambula.
This is old prison.
Old prison.
Yeah. Now they moved to Pallegale.
Oh,
So,
oh yes.
I'll show you the other side. They make as a park now.
Now
Yeah.
park.
Yes. In the afternoon we can visit and see the.
So in British time, this used to be a jail.
Yes.
Prison.
Not British time. Almost 3 years before they changed everything.
Oh, 3 years before this used to be a prison.
These yeah. 3 years before this all prison. Now they make as a park.
Okay.
This is the main bus stand, Kandy bus stand, and this is Bogambara ground,
This is government bus stand.
government bus stand.
Okay. So you can find Colombo bus anytime.
Every bus is here.
Every bus.
Every bus.
I mean, if somebody you want to go right now to Colombo by bus, he will get a bus.
He will get a bus.
Okay. And other buses which originate from here, they go
From
to.
here to Ratnapura,
Okay.
Colombo, Mapale, and everywhere. Vaunia, Jaffna.
Jaffna.
Yeah,
From here.
from here.
How much time to Jaffna?
It will get 8 hours.
8 hours to
9
reach
hours,
Jaffna.
Yeah.
And what would be the fare?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Okay. And what would be the fare of what is this? By the way.
This railway station. Sorry,
Railway
I
station.
forgot to tell you.
Okay. Okay. Main railway station
Yes, Kandy
and main bus station.
Main bus station.
Okay. And there is no airport in Kandy.
No airports.
Okay. And what is the bus fare for Colombo?
Colombo, in normal buses, you will get 900.
Okay.
And
how much time will it take?
3 hours.
3 hours.
Yes. 3 hours. If it
And
is
after how much time one bus starts?
every 10 minutes, like that.
No.
Yeah, every 10 minutes we have bus to Colombo. But in this time not available.
Huh.
Till 7 o'clock, every 10 minutes there are government bus and private buses and also the intercity.
Intercity also.
Intercity with the AC.
I mean, if some tourist wants to go this time, like it's 1 a.m. He can get a bus for the Colombo.
Yes, but now you will find after every
After 1 hour.
1 hour, 1.5 hour like that. Some
Okay.
buses will come from Bibila to Colombo.
Okay.
It will cross by here, so we can find from here.
Okay. It's so cheap. 900 only.
Yeah, in normal buses. Huh?
Okay.
In intercity, I think 1,500 or 600. Almost 5 years I didn't travel by bus, so I don't know.
Okay. So now we are going towards Colombo.
Colombo.
Okay. Wow. So these are private buses.
These are all private buses. They are parking here.
This is government.
This is government. The red one, government.
Okay. And what is the name of this road?
This road, Peradri Road.
Huh?
Peradri Colombo Road.
Peradriya.
Yes.
Okay. So it's coming from Colombo, right?
Yes.
And it will stop at Kandy and then will go back.
Yes.
Oh, just 4 bogies.
Not Colombo.
Okay. Which city? Noor?
Navala Pitia.
Pitia.
Navala Pitia.
Naval.
Navala Pitia.
Pitia. Pitia means?
Pitia means ground.
Ground.
Yeah.
Okay. And Naval?
Navala means one name.
Okay. This is government bus.
This is
That-
private.
Private. Okay. Now, where this road go?
From here we came before.
Okay, we came.
This is
before.
also Colombo.
Okay.
And this is also Colombo.
Okay. Oh yes, we came from this
Yeah.
Buddha. Okay.
This
Okay.
is the river.
This is the river
Yeah.
going
It's
towards.
called Mahavali River. You know Mahavali, right? You read about that? Mahavali River. The biggest river in Sri Lanka.
Mahabali.
Mahavali.
So it is the water is flowing on this side or this side?
This side.
This side.
Yeah.
Okay. Mahabali River is the biggest river in Sri Lanka.
In Sri Lanka.
Okay.
It means
Why they are installed here?
These very new roads.
Okay,
That's
this
why
is
they
new
install,
road.
and also there are army camp.
Okay, that's why.
Yeah, and these all for government that agriculture area.
Okay. Okay, and this is like Candy, or outside Candy, or some other
This is
area?
Candy City.
This is Candy City.
They included in the Candy City, but 5 kilometers far.
Okay, 5 kilometers out of city center.
Yes.
Right. Now these buses will start their journey in the morning.
In the morning, some buses. In
So
the
this is
afternoon.
army camp.
This is army camp.
And now you people are totally free of Tamil tigers and all
Yes,
that.
totally free.
They are crushed.
Yes, finished.
Finished. Okay. So how many petrol companies you have? One is Sapetco, one is LOC,
LOC, and another one is Sinopec.
Sino,
Sinopec.
Pac.
Yeah,
That is Chinese.
I think so. It's open
Because
recently.
Sino means China.
China. Maybe it's China. Because I saw the letters also, Chinese letters.
है ना?
Yeah.
Sino means China.
Yeah.
Sino Pac.
Sinopec.
Okay, that is new one.
New one.
New entrant. So
Recently.
definitely Chinese. Okay. Tea available?
Tea and the spices, main spot.
I wanna buy.
One of them.
I wanna buy if you get any store open. If any store is open, then I will stop for a while to buy some tea.
You want to buy tea?
Oh, I can buy on the way back.
No, wait.
No. When I would be back from Jakarta,
Okay.
I can buy at that time. Yes.
Yeah, you can buy. This is also tea factory.
This is tea
You
factory?
Can, yeah, you can buy from here also. Now I think closed.
It's closed. Yes. So why I'm carrying extra luggage to Jakarta? I will
Yeah.
buy on the way back, inshallah.
Inshallah.
What do you say?
Yeah. This is the way.
Okay. The fortress.
This is also tea fortress.
Tea fortress means?
This
Factory?
one of the factory.
Okay. So tea is produced nearby? Tea
Yeah,
plants are there?
inside the out of the city. It's little bit far.
Okay. And what is the name of the city?
This is Pilimatra.
So I was asking about the per unit cost in urban centers, urban area, municipality, electricity.
I think 6 rupees.
6 rupees?
Yeah. Per
Don't
unit.
tell me.
Yeah.
Are you where it is going now?
Maybe there are elephant path is there.
Elephant?
Path. It's called elephant path, and so there are lots of elephants. You must visit there also.
Orphanage?
Yes,
It is going to orphanage.
orphanage.
Pinnawala.
Pinnawala, yes. You know about that.
Yeah, we went there. I told you.
You went?
Today.
Then.
We
yeah.
left from Colombo. We went there Pinnawala first and then came here. That's why we were late, na?
Okay.
We left at 9 in the morning and then reached here at 5 because we spent our day in Pinnawala and all that.
So you feed milk also to elephant?
Yeah.
You went in the early morning.
Yeah, and we had a ride as well.
Okay. It's very expensive, right?
Yeah, very expensive. Oh, yes.
In Sri Lanka, everything expensive.
Yeah, it's everything.
Even petrol.
Yeah, petrol. Yes, your petrol is costly than us.
300. Yes.
नहीं. It's not possible.
अरे क्या बोल रहा है? Land Cruiser, you know how much?
Land Cruiser V8 in
V8.
Pakistan. V8.
Yeah, V8.
V8 in Pakistan, it's 6 crores.
6 crores.
Yeah.
In here, almost 10 crores.
Are you crazy?
You can't believe that. This Kaggle.
The latest model V8
Latest
in
model.
Pakistan is 14 crore.
The latest model still not arrive here. Because almost 5-6 years we didn't import any vehicles.
since last 6 years,
Yes,
because of
yes.
the one thing which I am concerned about, which is a case study for me. You people went bankrupt. Okay, दिवालिया हो गया आपका, हो गया ना? You didn't had anything to buy petrol. You had no money. Then how did you rise again? आपका पैसा वैसा सब खत्म, डिफॉल्ट कर गया, इंटरनेशनल कर गया। कोलंबो में लंबी लाइनें पेट्रोल की हम देखते थे टीवी पे, ठीक है। फिर दोबारा से श्रीलंका ऊपर कैसे आ गया, क्या वजह
से आ गया? मतलब अभी वो पेट्रोल का है ना,
हाँ,
पेट्रोल जो नहीं था ना,
हाँ,
उस टाइम में पेट्रोल का पैसा 170,
जब पेट्रोल नहीं था,
पेट्रोल नहीं, इससे पहले,
ठीक है,
इससे पहले 170,
ओके,
69,
ठीक है,
like that.
डिफॉल्ट से पहले,
हाँ,
ओके।
वो इसके बाद पे जो पेट्रोल लेके आया ना,
हाँ,
पेट्रोल लेके आएगी सीधा 400-500 हो गया। तो ऊपर नहीं हो जाएगा सर? पूरा इंपोर्ट किया ना, ज्यादा इंपोर्ट करके हाई प्राइस में सेल किया। प्राइस अभी तक वही प्राइस में चल रहा है,
वही चल रहा है ना, 300 वही प्राइस है, और क्या है।
अभी पेट्रोल तो थोड़ा कम हो गया,
ओके।
राइस वगैरह बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है ना।
राइस का क्या रेट है यहाँ पे?
अभी इधर वो जो नॉर्मल राइस है ना, 260 पर 1 kg
नॉर्मल।
हाँ।
एंड व्हाट इज द प्राइस ऑफ
जो पाकिस्तान का बासमती है ना,
हाँ,
1300,
नो,
1200,
डोंट टेल मी।
यस, लोवेस्ट 800।
बासमती पाकिस्तानी इंडियन।
और फिर भी वो ताजमहल ऐसा एक्सपेंसिव वाला लिएगा तो इंडिया गेट ऐसा लिएगा तो मर जाएगा। हाँ, सीधा मर जाएगा,
खाए बगैर ही मर जाएगा।
खाना कुछ में खाएगा, बाद में मर जाएगा प्राइस सुनने के बाद।
Okay, so I mean, Pakistani and Indian basmati rice has demand here.
Yeah.
People do like them, but people cannot afford them.
People cannot afford them. It's available here. But
it's available and used by hotel, restaurant industry.
Restaurants and high people, rich people, they will buy.
Right at 3, we are here at the airport of Bandaranaike International, Colombo. Right, this is the airport parking. It's huge, big, large parking. And that truck is cruising like anything. That was arrival parking?
Yeah.
Okay. This plant is closed. So, power plant. This was a power plant. This is Christmas tree under the flag, or something else. Christmas tree.
They make for the Christmas.
Okay.
Departure.
Okay. The good thing is that it's 3 in the midnight and everybody respects the law here. If it's red signal, then everybody stops. Okay. As soon as you enter into Bandaranaike International, you come across these souvenir shops. There are few currency exchanges and Thomas Cook foreign exchange and few souvenir shops. See, souvenirs. Sri Lankan souvenir shop, fruits and vegetables, frozen ones, pickles, Ceylon tea. Yeah, Ceylon tea, Ceylon. Cashews, SLT, Mobitel, and these are the departures. Paris, Dubai, Doha, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, Doha, Kuwait, Sharjah, Muscat, Male, Chennai, and Male is Chalice. And where is the next? We have, so all those are coming here. This is fruit and all that. So here we line up for our luggage scan.